Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Penny and Coco Kids. I am so excited to color with you today. And for today's coloring, I designed another coloring page around the autumn fall theme. And it is a pumpkin patch. So we have a truck, some pumpkins, and a pumpkin patch sign. And I'm very excited about that. Before I forget, I'll let parents know you can download the free coloring pages from the description box below. And there are intermediate coloring page and a beginner's coloring page. So you just choose which one suits your child best, and they are free and printable. And I will also let you know that I am very excited for tomorrow's coloring page. It's probably my favorite one yet. And so please tune in tomorrow if you want to see what that coloring page is. But let's get started on today's. Okay, let's get coloring. Just a reminder to take your coloring page and slide a blank page underneath to stop your table from getting ink bleed through. I found some coloring pencils, so I'm going to use these today to color. So let's get started. I'm going to color my truck blue. I thought this was a fun coloring page for the fall because maybe some of us didn't get to go to a pumpkin patch this year, or maybe you did, that's fun. But we can at least color one together. What color are you going to color your truck? Might move those up a little bit. Now in my first video and my second video, I said if you have any ideas for designs you would like me to create for a coloring page to comment on down below. However, I found out that when you have YouTube Kids, the comments are like closed, so you can't comment on my videos. And that's just for your safety and protection, but I'm going to try to find another way that you can give me ideas. I do have a website that I will link for your parents to see. And maybe on that website, I know there's a comment box. Your parent can comment on my website any ideas you have. And then if when I use your idea, I'll give you a little shout out. How does that sound? So just try to think of anything you would like me to design as a coloring page. It can be any kind of animal, it can be a tree or any kind of plant, it can be fruit or any kind of food, cupcakes, anything. I like my blue truck so far. And it's full of pumpkins in the back. Okay, I'm almost finished coloring the body of the truck, and I think I'm going to make the inside of the truck brown. Oh, that's not brown. That's brown. Just remember when we're coloring, if I'm coloring too fast, you can always pause your video and catch up and then press play again, and we'll keep coloring together. If I'm coloring too slow for you, you can speed up or skip ahead and keep going at your own pace, but everybody colors differently, and that's okay. I'm going to leave the window white, but I'm just going to put 2 lines there to show that it's a window, and 2 lines here to show that that's a window. And I'll color the tires black. Okay, let's see what's next. I have a very limited amount of colors in my pencil crayons, so I'm gonna use a marker to, this one here, to color in the rims of the tires. Some gold rims. It's okay to use multiple different instruments for coloring, so you can use markers and pencil crayons and crayons if you like. There are no rules in what you can color with unless your parent says that it's going to make a mess, then there are rules there. I'll keep coloring the inside with this gold color. And then I'll do the outside of that light gray. This light gray here. I'm gonna color. What's your favorite part about going to a pumpkin patch? I actually used to work at a place called Yeehaw Adventure Farm, and they had a pumpkin patch there. It was really fun. They had a whole show, and they had pumpkin patch, and they had a corn maze. All kinds of fun stuff to do there. Cotton candy. That was fun. Corn mazes are really fun, I think. Oh, I forgot a little bit of the truck here. So I'll color that in too. And I'll color this rim or bumper gold. What color are you coloring your truck? The fun thing about coloring is that you can make things any color you want. That's really fun, to be creative. You could have a pink truck, a purple truck, an orange truck, any color. Okay, so my truck is pretty much done. I'm going to color in the pumpkins now. And I actually have a pumpkin coloring page coming up where I'll talk to you a bit more about pumpkins and all the different things you can make with pumpkins and do with pumpkins, and different colors of pumpkins, but I'm going to color all these pumpkins orange just for today, because I want to talk to you about different colors of pumpkins in that video. But you're free to color your pumpkins any color you like. I painted pumpkins this year for our porch, and on one pumpkin my nephew suggested I do a skeleton, so I did that, and on the other pumpkin I carved a happy jack-o'-lantern. Okay, orange pumpkins, and I'll do the stems brown. And then I'm going to color this sign brown because in my imagination it's made of wood, so. Brown wood. Penny's pumpkins I named after Penny and Coco, my YouTube channel name. What is your favorite season? I really do like fall or autumn. I think it's cozy. It's starting to get cool and we can wear sweaters and long pants again. The leaves are falling all different colors, which is beautiful, at least here in Canada. That's what happens, and I just love that. Okay, I'm going to color pennies in a little bit with a marker, and I'm going to make pennies green. So I'm going to use this color green here. There we go. And I have put a line for, so you can color the ground if you'd like to. I'll color mine in green. You don't have to color it, you can just leave it white if you want to. I'm just going to do like a quick brush over of green, like grass. It's a very light green, actually. And I'm going to add a sunshine in the sky with this yellow color over here. Just a round circle colored in. You can get creative with your sky. You can put clouds, birds, the sun, anything. You can add a tree if you like to draw and you want to put a tree in the background. There we go, a sun. And I think I might add a very light kind of blue cloud. So to draw a cloud, I usually just do like a bunch of kind of half circles until they all connect together. And it doesn't have to be perfect because clouds are all different shapes and sizes. So there's really almost no wrong cloud that you could do. Remember that it's okay to get outside the lines when you're coloring. It's okay to make mistakes. Okay, we're almost done our picture. My cloud is just about colored. There we go. So there's my Penny's Pumpkins coloring page. I hope you had fun with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You can share it on Facebook if your mom or dad have a Facebook account, and I look forward to coloring with you next time. Don't forget that all art is beautiful. See you soon.